Today we're featuring a 2012 Hyundai Elantra GLS. It's got 140,000 miles on it. It's got a Carfax one owner. All right, it's radiant silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. There's just a couple little nicks right here on the side door handles. A small little ding in the body line here. All right, but it's got 140,000 miles on it, so some of this is going to be expected. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. All right, overall, it's a 2012 with 140,000 miles on it, and overall the exterior on this thing is really good. Just a couple little rock chips, you know, throughout the hood here. Okay, but it will be priced accordingly. All right, and some of that stuff's to be expected on a car with this many miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray door panels, power locks, power windows. Got the dark gray cloth driver's seat. All right, but the cloth's in good shape, no rips or tears. All right, it does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. No rips or tears in the passenger seat either. It is an automatic. Got your little power outlet, auxiliary, iPod and USB port there. Climate control center here. It's got AM/FM CD player. All right. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. And it does have your active eco button there. Let's see how many miles it's got. It's got 140,078 miles on it. That's 140078. All right, now that we got the Elantra started, I'll go ahead and show you the AM/FM display right here. You got your CD player. Okay, you got your climate control area here. It is an automatic. All right. Car's been on for a few minutes. AC's already cold. No problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Rear door panel looks good. Back seat cloth's in good shape. All right, no stains or no tears. Everything's actually in really good shape. 140,000 miles on this thing. All right, and it's well taken care of. It's got the center console that comes down. Got the cup holders there. All right, and everything looks really good. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. Just how much room you have. There's plenty of room back here in this Elantra. Let's check out your wheels and tires. We've got 16-inch steel wheels. Nice plastic hubcaps there. Brand new set of tires. All right, you can see the tread on there. Ton of tread. Brand new set. All right, just to recap, so 2012 Hyundai Elantra, 140,000 miles on it. Okay, really nice car, well taken care of for that many miles. All right, a couple of little rock chips on the hood, maybe a little scuff here and there on the door handle, but the interior looks great. It was well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.